Ever wondered what makes a houseplant truly rare? It's not just about how hard it is to find at your local garden center. These plants have a certain magic about them. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind some of the rarest and most coveted houseplants you'll ever come across. From their slow-growing nature to their exclusive beauty, these plants are more than just greenery. They're treasures waiting to be discovered. Why are these plants so special, you ask? Well, it's all about rarity, demand, and the fascinating stories behind them. Whether it's the years it takes to cultivate, the challenges of propagation, or their exotic origin, these plants are not your average houseplants. Let's dive into the top 12 rare plants of 2024. Trust me, you're in for a treat. 1. Tricolor arrowhead plant. First up, the tricolor arrowhead plant. This beauty is rare because of its stunning, vibrant mix of pink, cream, and green foliage. It's not easy to find, and it certainly isn't easy to grow. The variegated leaves are the result of selective breeding, making each one unique. The plant requires specific growing conditions to maintain its brilliant colors, which is why it's prized by collectors. Its rare beauty, paired with its moderate care needs, makes it a standout in any plant collection. 2. Philodendron El Choco Red. Next, we have the Philodendron El Choco Red. This stunning plant is rare because it's not just hard to find, it's also slow-growing and sensitive to its environment. The deep red undersides of its velvety green leaves make it a showstopper. Native to the rainforests of Colombia and Ecuador, it's a true tropical treasure that thrives in high humidity and warm conditions, making it a bit tricky to cultivate. Its bold color contrast and velvety texture are what make it highly sought after by collectors around the world. 3. Red Mambo Jewel Alocasia. The red Mambo Jewel Alocasia is another rare gem. Known for its glossy, dark red leaves that shine like metal, this plant is rare because of its unique coloration and slow-growing nature. Unlike other alocasias, it requires specific care and a particular environment to truly thrive. Its vibrant color and striking appearance are what make it a collector's favorite, but the rarity comes from the fact that it's not only hard to propagate, but also difficult to find in stores. This makes owning one a real privilege. 4. Queen Anthurium. The Queen Anthurium lives up to its name with its grand, heart-shaped leaves and dramatic, bold veins. Rare due to its specific care requirements, this plant thrives in high humidity and low-light conditions, making it a challenge to grow outside of its native habitats in South America. The combination of its elegant size and striking appearance makes it highly prized by collectors, and its rarity comes from its difficult propagation and the slow pace at which it matures. If you're lucky enough to own one, you've got a true botanical treasure. 5. Variegated elephant's ears. Here's a unique one, the variegated elephant's ears. The plant's massive leaves are a showstopper, with bold, beautiful patterns of yellow and green. It's rare because the variegation is hard to maintain, and it requires specific lighting and care conditions to keep the colors vibrant. Grown from a tuber, it's not as easy to find or grow as other varieties, and that's why it's so special. The sheer size and exotic beauty of this plant are part of what makes it so sought after. 6. Gold of Kinabalu Orchid. The gold of Kinabalu orchid is a rare find, known for its stunning golden yellow flowers. Native to the highlands of Borneo, it thrives in very specific, cool mountain conditions that are hard to replicate in a home. Because of its native habitat and the difficulty of cultivating it outside of that environment, it's considered one of the rarest orchids in the world. Not only is it rare, but it's also difficult to propagate, which is why it's highly valued by orchid collectors. 7. Philodendron Florida Ghost. Another gem on our list is the Philodendron Florida Ghost. This plant is rare because of its striking white and green leaves that start off as pure white and mature into a deep green. It's considered rare because of its slow growth and the challenge of finding one in stores. The plant's unique leaf pattern and color make it highly desirable, and while it can be difficult to grow, its rarity makes it worth the effort for any plant enthusiast. 8. Variegated False Bird of Paradise. Here we have the variegated false bird of paradise. This plant is rare due to its unusual and striking variegated leaves, which mimic the shape of a bird's plume. Found only in select regions, its rarity is due to the specific conditions required for it to thrive. With bold green and white markings, it's a unique addition to any plant collection, but finding one is not easy. Its distinct look and exotic origin make it highly coveted among collectors. 9. Musa ayae. The Musa ayae, a variety of banana plant, is rare because of its stunning variegated leaves, which feature bold white and green stripes. Originating from tropical regions, it requires warm conditions and plenty of light to thrive, making it a challenge to grow. Its rarity also comes from the difficulty in propagation, which limits its availability. The striking appearance of this plant is truly unique, making it a favorite among collectors who are willing to put in the effort to cultivate it. 10. Philodendron Florida Beauty. The Philodendron Florida Beauty is a rare treasure, thanks to its beautiful, variegated leaves that combine shades of green, white, and yellow. It's rare because it's challenging to propagate and grow, and its variegation can be inconsistent. The plant's stunning colors and unique leaf shape make it a showstopper in any collection, but the care requirements and slow growth rate keep it in the hands of only the most dedicated plant parents. 11th. Alocasia friedeck variegata. The Alocasia friedeck variegata is a rare beauty with its bold, arrow-shaped leaves and distinctive white variegation. Known for its dramatic look, this plant is rare because the variegation is hard to maintain, and it requires very specific conditions to grow successfully. Its beautiful leaves and challenging propagation process make it a collector's item that's in high demand. 12. Monstera adansonii variegata. Last but certainly not least, the Monstera adansonii variegata. This rare variation of the popular Monstera has beautiful, perforated leaves with striking white variegation. The rarity comes from the difficulty of growing this plant in optimal conditions and the challenges of propagating it successfully. Its unique, spotted look, combined with its high demand, makes it one of the most sought-after houseplants for collectors. If you can find one, you're lucky. There you have it, the top 12 rarest houseplants of 2024. From their stunning colors to their unique growing conditions, these plants aren't just decorations, they're rare treasures. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, adding one of these beauties to your collection is sure to elevate your plant game. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below.